If you're an investor and in the market for a great property, look no further than 11 Alexander Street in Shearwater. This modern and stylish home is in a great location. It's close to town, close to all the services you need, and close to the beach. There's a long-term tenancy in place, so if you'd like to have a look, give me a call.